What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Trevin Peterson. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'm super excited to talk about today's video because I'm going to show you how to get organic reviews and increase your sales using an auto email responder. So in yesterday's video, I talked about how to get more reviews, and so now I'm going to go into more detail and more depth of how to actually use the email auto responders. So there are two different softwares that you guys can use, and I'm going to show you and give you two different options. And the biggest difference between the two of them are Amazon Mailer and JumpSend are the two. Amazon Mailer is 19 bucks. You have unlimited products, but you can only send 1,000 emails. And then JumpSend is $29, and then you only can have 3 products, but you have unlimited emails. So if you have just one product, 2 products, then I would recommend JumpSend. But if you have 10, 20 products, then Amazon Mailer is going to be the cheaper software for you. So right here we have the prices. So this is JumpSend, 29 bucks a month. You have 3 product limit. 60 bucks a month, you have a 10 product limit, and so on and so forth. And then over here at Amazon Mailer, 19 bucks a month, you have 1,000 emails. And that is plenty if you are just starting out. But then once you start growing, 6,000 emails is more than enough as well, which is 34 bucks a month, but you can have unlimited products. So those are kind of the things that you need to look at and see what software is going to be the best fit for you. So after you do that, you need to sign up. You pay for the trial, and actually with Amazon Mailer, I think it's a 14-day free trial, so you can give it a try, see if you like it. If you don't, you can always switch. But you sign up, then you're going to link your Seller Central account to Amazon Mailer or JumpSend, and they are both compliant with Amazon's guidelines. This is 100% legal. There's nothing against the policies, Amazon's policies using these softwares. So once you do that, you're going to basically set up different email templates so that when someone purchases your product, it's going to send them an email. You don't need to send the email every single time. Amazon Mailer or JumpSend is going to automatically send that email once the product is ordered, and then after a few days, and then after 10 days, okay? So right here, I have my email template, and I'm going to show you basically exactly what I am doing to get more organic reviews and increase my sales using the automated email sender. So right here we have the first email, which is going to be a cross-sell. So as you can see, it says first email, cross-sell, and you're going to want to set it 7 hours after the product is ordered, and I'm going to show you that in a sec, so don't get too confused with that. And then the subject is it's shipped, and then you explain, and then this is basically what the first email is going to say to your customer that just had recently purchased your product. So for this example, let's say your customer just purchased this bamboo iPhone Apple Watch stand, okay? So have that in mind, and you're going to say something, thank you for purchasing my product. We are here to help. We appreciate your business, and it is a pleasure to help all of our customers as fast as we can. And so you're just basically checking in on the customer, telling them that this is what we do, this is what our business is about. And then you are going to say, in the meantime, feel free to check out some of our other products. We threw in an exclusive product down below just for you. So this is where we're going to cross-sell, which is going to increase our sales. So obviously, if they just bought this bamboo stand that's for an Apple Watch and an iPhone, they're more than likely to have an iPhone. So you're going to be cross-selling an iPhone case. So they're going to click on this, and they're going to see the iPhone case. You're going to include a picture below, and they can click right here, and it's going to redirect them to your product on Amazon. And then if they want to buy that product, they can buy that as well. So that is an awesome way to cross-sell your products if they are within the same niche, which I highly recommend doing, because you can sell your products together, and it's easy to get sales off of each other, okay? So vice versa, if you're selling this, you set the other cross-sell, but the cross-sell is this instead of the iPhone case. So it works really well, and this is basically how it's set up, so you can screenshot this and enter that into your email template for email number 1. So after that, you're going to go down here to the second email, and this is 3 days after, and you're just going to be checking in on your order. And the purpose for this one is to basically tell your customer if there is any problems, reach out to me or you instead of going to Amazon. So this is also going to help you avoid negative seller feedback. And then at the same time, you're going to ask for a review. So right here, I'm going to read this. It says, we are a small family-run business that puts quality first, and that can make it hard to compete. With the big marketing budgets of large companies. So it would be a huge help if you could click the Amazon review link below and let me know what you think. It could take just 5 seconds. Amazon thrives off of authentic reviews, and as a small business owner, that would help significantly. So that is something that you guys can say, and the customer is going to recognize that, hey, you're a small local company, and a review is going to help a ton. But at the same time, if there's any problems, they're going to reach out to you as well. So that is something that I've been doing now, and this has completely changed my business. I don't get like any negative reviews. They're all positive reviews, and if I do have a customer that's upset, they are emailing me instead of going to Amazon to leave a bad review, okay? So that's going to be the second email. Down here, we have the third email, and it's just going to be saying thank you, and then it's going to ask for another review. One thing that I put right here, it says basically, I hope that we have landed a 5-star review, and it's going to tell the customer, hey, we're here to help and do anything that we need to make things right, and we want your opinion, and we want your feedback, and we hope that we got that 5-star review. And that is basically the 3 emails that you're going to send to your customers, and in return, you're going to see more sales, you're going to avoid negative seller feedback, and you're going to get more organic 5-star reviews. So this is a super awesome technique that I've been using that works amazingly. So I would highly recommend to go through and use these different email templates, and they don't have to be the same. You can adjust and tweak them, but this is something that has been working really well for me. Alright, so now that you guys understand the email templates, I'm going to show you how to put those email templates into the softwares so that they do the rest of the work, okay? So for this example, I'm going to be using Amazon Mailer, but it is very similar with JumpSend, so you can use it either way. But I'm going to obviously create my account, log in, connect my Seller Central account, and then I'm going to go over here to Email Builder. Once I go there, I'm going to create my first email. So I'm going to enter in the subject. So the first email is going to be it's shipped is the subject, and then I'm going to give it a template name, so you can call it first email cross sell or whatever product you are selling. And then I'm going to copy and paste the first email into this box. So now that I have, I'm going to call it shipped. Then I can call it iPhone X cross sell. And I know that the cross sell is the first email that I'm going to send, okay? So once we do that, we need to have 2 things in mind. So first, the nickname is basically the nickname of the product. So instead of Amazon Mailer calling it this long, drawn out, super long title name, you're going to give it a nickname. And how you're going to do that is you're going to go over here to products, you're going to click on that, and you're going to give this product a particular nickname. So for this product, I would call it iPhone X case instead of wireless charger, iPhone X case, Flow Me, luxury, slim fit. You guys get the point. You don't want something super long. You want something short, sweet, and to the point, so that when the customer is reading it, they don't get lost in this huge long title, okay? So that's what you need to make sure that you do, is change the nickname of the product, and you do that by going to the products. The last thing that you guys need to make sure to do is right here where it says iPhone case. That is not linked yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our product on Amazon, and we're going to copy the URL, from our product, and then we're going to go back to Amazon Mailer and we're going to hit this little link button. Once we do that, we're going to give it a title. So this is basically the nickname, so iPhone X case, and then we're going to go down here to link target and we're going to paste this URL into the link target, and then we hit add. Then this is connected to that particular product. So when they send the email, so when Amazon Mailer sends the automated email, they can click on iPhone X case and then it directs them to your product and then they can buy it. So that is two main points that you guys need to make sure to do on the first email. And then also down below you need to put the picture of the product. It just shows them what they're getting into, and then they're more likely to click on it, and if they're not interested, they won't click on it. So those are things that you need to make sure to do when you are setting up your first email. After you set up your first email, you're going to set up the second and the third, and you do the same exact thing. You copy and paste this, or in your case, you're going to copy this, and you're going to do your second email and your third email. So now that we have those all set up, we're going to go to the email scheduler, okay? So it's right here, and I'm going to hit email scheduler, and this is decide what products we are scheduling to send, or if we're going to schedule for all products. So in this case, since we're cross-selling one specific product, we're going to select this product, and then we're going to cross-sell it with the iPhone case. So in this case, I'm just going to select all products for this example, and I'm going to go to cross-sell, and then I'm going to have my template 2 and template 3. So when you're doing this, basically the first email is the only one that's going to be different because you are cross-selling different products. But if you only have one product, then you're going to not include the cross-sell, and it's just going to be template 1, template 2, template 3. And then over here, you send mail after 8 hours or 7 hours. I think I put 7 hours, and then 3 days, and then you can do 10 days. So this is basically they're sending the email after they ordered within 7 hours, and then 3 days after they ordered. So since they got the product, you're going to send email number 2, and then 10 days, they've had the product for about a week, you're going to send the third email requesting for a product review. And then you're going to hit save, and then Amazon Mailer or Jump Send is going to be starting to send the automated emails every single time you get a purchase. So this is a super easy, cool way to increase sales, increase reviews, and avoid negative seller feedback by using one simple software that is $20 to $30 a month. So I highly recommend that you guys invest in these softwares, and I'm going to include the link in the description below because they are a game changer. So please take advantage of these tools, and I promise you are going to see a ton of results and more organic reviews. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button if you are enjoying my channel, and leave a like, leave a comment, because that makes me super happy, and that's what keeps me going every single day. So thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you in the next video.